Governor Yahaya, in aide, in name na Jumebi. This guy go street of Kogi, pick up one woman and pikin wey dey street dey beg. He pick them up, put them for house. So after few months, na so this woman comot from house, go back street dey beg. Abeg that one wetin una go call am? No be, I don't know wetin I go even call it, whether na greediness o abi na wetin dey do the woman. Human being dey London, the Jumebi, in dey London o, come decide say okay, as im birthday don dey reach, make him do something as im dey normally dey do. Him tell him team since COVID no fit allow am comot from London come Nigeria. Him send him team say make dem go out there give people things for im birthday celebration o. Na so him tell dem go give orphanage things, give the needy things. Him come talk say as im birthday gift, him wan make dem remove that particular woman. E be like say him don dey see am for the place dey beg. He say make dem remove that particular woman from street, put am for house. Na so these people do as him talk, remove this woman from street with the pikin, put am for well furnished house, then furnish the place, give am, still give am money to start up small business. So my people, no be yarn, no be gbogbo dey talk. Make una watch the video, see wetin happen.
Like today, we are going to be giving out a whole house, complete home, to a widow. The widow has been sleeping on the street in Naija Junction with 2 kids, and that alone speaks volume of who Jumabi is.
On behalf of our brother who celebrated his birthday today, this is the key to your new apartment.
Abi una don see the woman? Una don see the woman how dem take give am all these things? Stay. Even the house get television, get the things, basic things wey if she dey road sef, she no go reason say that kind of house she go dey inside. The man help am, put am for that kind of house, make she relax with the pikin. Na so this woman, this ungrateful woman, carry all the things wey dey the house go sell. Carry apartment give person. I don't know whether I just say he go collect money because na fresh apartment wey never even last. E never even reach half of the year. This woman carry apartment, give everything, empty the house, carry the pikin, comot from the place. Wetin you go call this kind beggar abeg? This one don pass Beggars Association of Nigeria, because this one na business she dey do. Because I no understand how person go give you comfortable apartment, you sell everything wey dey the apartment, give out the apartment, I sure say e no be dash, e collect money. After all that, carry your pikin go back street dey beg from ground zero. My people, I sure say she dey see big benefit for this abeg, you know. Because if she no dey see benefit, she no go carry herself go back street dey hustle. Because this one don pass her shower work. She don go back street dey stand dey hustle. Which kind thing be this one? And this same woman, charity organization, still pick this woman from the same street, put her for house, carry the pikin put for school, dey pay school fees, private school o. This woman still on still, she sell the things wey dey the house, remove the pikin from the school, still go back street dey beg. Hey, this is unheard of. People just say they help person wey no need help. E be like this woman. See, I don see situation where dem pick beggar from street, give am job. Say dem go dey pay am daily monthly 50k. 50k na people salary wey go school for 4 years BSc. For 4 years, then they pay people like that for Nigeria. Even less than that, some people's salary na 30,000. Then see beggar, give beggar work, where dem go dey pay 50,000. Beggar still comot from the work, go street, they beg. I don hear say beggar dey put akawo wey pass people wey dey work. Abi una know wetin be akawo? My people, all those totoro, then every week dem go drop this amount. Every week dem go drop. Beggar fit dey drop 50k a week. Ha! Which kind of work beggar dey do? Now all these kind of things dey happen for Nigeria. Ha! So my people, before una go out there dey beg, before una go out there dey help beggars, make una open una eye, make una study that beggar, make una ask people wey dey around though. Before una go see beggar, they give am huge amount, they put am for big house, they do this one, they do that one. Make una ask question. Now why you may be come out, come give una this story, make una know wetin dey happen for this Nigeria. No be say I no say dem don't give us and never lack, but give to the right people so that e no go lack, my people. Make una eyes dey open for this matter. Now make una see how you may be confront this woman when in return. Make una watch the video.
London,
Yes.
during my birthday last year, that sent money for you to rent a house.
Yes, sir.
That
No,
bought
sir.
everything in the house.
Eh,
In that house, I put everything in that house for you.
Yes, sir.
Because I saw your condition.
Yes.
I said I wanted to make you my own birthday present. I put you in the house,
Yes, sir.
put TV in the house, Abi, for you to be comfortable.
Yes, sir.
They sent me a video. My entire Kogi team, they were all with you for my birthday. Then they said 2 weeks later you gave the house out and came back to the street.
Daddy.
What happened?
Yeah,
What happened?
What
And before that time, somebody sent me a message on Facebook that they saw this woman, that they gave you a house again. One organization, a non-governmental organization gave you a house, and that you sold the house to somebody else again. I didn't know.
Sir, it's not so.
So how can I put you in the house and you leave the house? One of my boys will follow you. You go and show them this new house.
But Daddy, I will show them.
Then it's a big business you want to do.
Yes.
I don't ever want to see. If I see you here again,
Daddy, if you see me, lock
if I see you here again,
yes, lock me. Even this woman affair, she came in. This woman I explained for when she saw all these things, the house of Daddy. I was buying shako from village. I go to this Basa TV. If I buy it 800, Daddy, I will bring it. If I sell 1.5, I will tie. Daddy.
because you were not supposed to come back to this place.
Daddy,
That's my only problem.
No, Daddy.
Abi una don see how the woman dey yarn kpakpakpakpa all the things wey she talk. No single one make sense. All the things at the end na daddy. When people see money, dem fit salute you, dem fit prostrate, dem abi na portrait, dem fit bow down for you like say you be Jesus. Now she don see person wey get money, see how she dey daddy no this one that all these things wey she dey explain. Make I explain. Or you explain na your explanation no even make sense. I no even understand anything wey you talk for that place. My own question say all these things wey she go say, where the money dey? Wetin she use that money do? Person rent house for you, e dey move from pillar to post, dey find the person number. Person don help you finish from in goodness of im heart. Wetin you still dey find the number for? Abi you wan use the number extend your begging so that if you no see anything, you go dey call person father, dey call am for phone to collect more money. Some people they are just ungrateful, oh. Very very ungrateful. They don give you something, you sell am, still dey find number of the man. Which kind life be this? Hey, now begging na business, big business for Nigeria. Now begging, in fact for Africa people dey beg for state. Hey, now begging, he gets one beggar from begging, him build 5 houses. 5 still get transport company, still get pure water business. Ha, my people, make una see the picture of this man what they talk about. Hey, from begging, now the reason why if they start to beg to go back to normal life, they no go fit go back because they don't see how the money they come quickly with speed. Hey, now this one na business, so e be like graduate work na just to hold certificate. Make all of us go sit down for road dey beg because I no understand. Me I go soon carry mat go road oh. I go carry mat go road go beg oh. If beggar fit build 5 houses, me I never even build bacha. Beggar don put things up like this. Now huge business with this oh. So my people, if una dey help, open your eye. Metanyagi before you help oh. This one no be go come, your money go just waste. I don't know whether God go still bless you for that kind of help because you no help the right person. So my people, make una try to help the right people oh. And if una get any comment or if una know of any beggar wey dey una side, every time they stand for one junction they beg, wey they do this, make una put una tori for that comment section. 1 year last more because I don't tell for the things wey dey happen for this country. In fact, Africa as a whole, wherever una dey watch this, una know of any beggar in strategy, make una put am, make people eye too open for una own side. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.